back to the vlog. Tonight I am home alone. My boyfriend is out with some friends and I was like, I'm gonna get the volume camera because I really had a lot of fun in the last vlog. If you haven't seen it, check it out, I'll leave it above. And tonight I'm gonna make myself the ultimate dinner, the carbone inspired spicy rigatoni pasta. I just was craving it so bad, and yeah, I mean, why not? Midweek treat. So I picked up some mezze rigatoni. I was always wondering, because Carbone doesn't use actual sized rigatoni, it has these mini versions, and then I saw this at the grocery store. Normally I'm pretty picky about my pasta. I like to buy an Italian brand. Barilla is obviously controversial if you talk to anyone who lives in Italy, but it's what they had at the store. Got my tomato paste, my heavy cream in the fridge, onion, garlic, and for some added health benefits, some broccoli. So let's get cooking. Okay, live taste test. It's so good, you guys. Oh. The broccoli's a nice touch too. I like broccoli and pasta. Wow. Good morning, guys. Today is a new day. I just made my matcha latte, the hot version, because it's finally cooling down in New York. It's so exciting. I feel like I'm ready for summer to be over because summer was kind of sad this year with everything going on, and I'm ready for fall and winter and see my family again. But for now, today I have to work for a little bit, and then I'm actually gonna go back to my apartment and get a few things. I also have a package waiting for me, so I want to pick that up. So I got a few errands to run in the city, and obviously gonna take you guys along with me, but for now gotta get the grind started. It is bright and early. It is 8:30, so we're about to hop to it. I wanted to show you guys the desk from the first vlog. Here is the finished desk, and we're actually going to be returning it because it doesn't fit to open the door. So it like knocks the door to the laundry, and that's not ideal. So my boyfriend's going to be returning it. I'm kind of bummed, but at least I have something to work with for a week. It's not ideal. I definitely could just use this top part, but it's the fact that the bottom just comes out so far. So we're gonna return it, put something else here. But overall, it works being in the hallway, and it's nice enough away from where my boyfriend works. So I don't have to feel so overwhelmed by him and I sitting next to each other at a table. You learn so much when you're working from home with your significant other. We are back in my apartment. Was a quick subway ride up here, and I was telling my boyfriend that I missed it. I love my neighborhood and I love the city, so I really want to be staying here. I felt so excited to be back in my apartment, even if it's just for a few seconds. You know, it's home, and it's been home. So I'm having a little water. It's definitely hot outside. And I wanted to show you guys, I picked up 3 pairs of shoes, heels to be exact. I don't know why, just felt compelled, so let's open them. This is the first pair of shoes. It is a quilted mule. I'd say they're about a 3.5 inch height. The quilted part has some padding, so it's nice and comfortable. I got these in my true size, 7.5. And I will leave the link for them below. I think I got them for $23. The only thing that's a little concerning me is this strap of leather will probably rub on my foot at some point, but so cute, perfect for fall transition. I needed to get some. I then picked up these strappy square toe sandals. They have a nice block heel, and it has like a wrap strap. I definitely would wrap it around the front. It's way more secure than wrapping it around the back. Really cute. It's got nice strappy detailing in the front and a middle prong for your toes. I think a lot of the times these strappy sandals don't have this here for your toes to kind of grab onto when you walk. Game changer. These fit perfectly as well. True to size. So cute. Obsessed with these. This last pair is really annoying because it's like attached to the other shoe. I have to say I don't love these, so you guys can't tell, but the heel is actually wooden, and then you've got the black faux leather with the silver strap. I like it, and I don't have anything like it, and like, when do platforms go out of style? Never. So I'll probably keep them because I got them for like basically $15, but overall they're all right. Nothing special.